when Ida Kaminska came in 1960, we played in Sydney. And we played here at a huge theatre which holds 3,000 people or something like that, the Palais Theatre. And we went to Sydney with her company. There were 4 of them who came. Oh, it was amazing. And her son-in-law was not a very good-looking guy, but he was an amazing actor. It was her husband, her daughter, who married this other, Latovich, I think was his name, actor. I don't think any of them are alive anymore.
And did she live up to her reputation?
Oh, yes, yeah, definitely. Regal. They knew what they were doing.